guys, this is our day 4 in Japan and today we're in Nara. We're gonna look at the deers. We're getting some human food. You're still running.
Oh, my little honey boo, I wish you saw you the way I do.
That one's a baby.
Your voice
Lucy, that one's a
sounds
baby.
like a lullaby that makes me feel all warm inside.
We're heading back now. So we finished looking at the deers. We're still here, but we're walking back. So today's plan is we're gonna go back, go to Tenkachaya, which is where we stayed previously, and buy some groceries because we want to cook. What do we want to cook again?
We will try to cook sukiyaki and barbecue beef.
Yeah, sukiyaki with barbecue beef for dinner tonight. Hopefully it's early dinner so we can go out after dinner, have a walkabout, go to drugstore again because I want to stock us on some items in the drugstore. We're back at our familiar spot. Do you want strawberries? They look nice. This is so awesome. At first time I see bean sprouts being sold this way. You can just go ahead and cut the roots. But we found this and we're going to use it for sukiyaki tonight. For dinner tonight, we're actually cooking at home. So you guys saw we went to Tenkachaya supermarket to get all the groceries we need, and we're eating sukiyaki at home.
Sukiyaki, not too salty this one. Very nice. So who wants the first piece?
And then we have this assembly on the bed because there's no table here. So this is our little table on the bed. James is cooking it in the pan and then he's distributing to us. It's gonna be a good dinner. James is gonna have his first piece of at-home sukiyaki.
The best. Thank you,
Yeah.
honey. Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah. As good as the restaurant.
Mm.
Have a bite of
Even better.
rice. Cause you cooked it. Well, in the restaurant you cooked it too, but like this you bought it as well.
Or meat is even better
Yeah.
than the restaurant. Yeah.
And James is cooking some vegetables now
As well, yeah.
in the sukiyaki sauce. Lucy's eating too. Oh, and she got her rice out. She just microwaved it. Oh, so nice. We're heading out again after dinner, and Lucy wants something. She just ducked down suddenly. There's bicycles behind you. So Lucy, what do you want? Lucy, what do you want? If you don't say, I won't give it to you. Come on, Lucy, what do you want?
Taiyaki.
What is taiyaki?
Fish shaped bread thing.
With the red
Bean.
bean paste in the middle.
Oh.
Lucy sees her destination.
这个是年号，
Taiyaki.
它这个日本这种年号对吗？
Showa era. Showa period.
Era, yeah.
Lucy, are you excited about taiyaki? First time on this trip that I see Lucy walking this fast to somewhere. She's even risking her life.
This is the entry.
Oh, what is this presence in me? I just can't seem to fathom how sweet your words can be. Tell me, my sweet honey, do you
Ways to feed a Lucy. Have homemade meals and then feed her taiyaki. And then you'll have a happy Lucy. Lucy still doesn't believe we're on the main street. She's saying down there is the main street. But we came from here,
We can
which
go
is
down
also
there.
the main street.
You can go down there.
Four directions. Lucy is going into Japan Zara
Okay.
and we're waiting for traffic.